I took the plane to Calgary, Alberta for the annual inspection and maintenance. After 3 weeks, it is time for a test flight. Since Nick, the maintenance engineer, is a pilot, I gave him the controls. We had a great test flight. It's now time to head back to Ontario. First leg, Calgary, Alberta to Brandon, Manitoba.
feet, and we are crossing Lake Superior, one of the Great Lakes. What we do is we take advantage of the tailwind. So the higher you go flying east, the better tailwind you get. So we go as high as we can. I'm getting an 84 knot tailwind with my true airspeed at 195, and my power setting is 55%. So on 55% power setting, I'm able to get 285 knots, and I'm going right across the Great Lakes. There's some weather coming up, and we're actually going to be crossing this cold front, so we can get above the weather. We can get to taking advantage of the tailwinds when it's nice like this. But if you have headwinds, you can just fly low, not be impacted by the headwinds as much. But in a King Air or in a jet, you'd be penalized for that when you're flying low, and because those turbine engines aren't designed for those high density air.